What's up, you guys? Damn right I got knives here yet again with another knife review. I got this knife maybe a week ago. Came with this little stress ball, and it came with a date of birth card, Sentinel number 188, drop point 440C steel, galvanized 4V titanium channel. Date of birth is 04/30/21, and it's signed. Another company that I really love the fun stuff they're doing. I mean, the logo is amazing. The logo on the knife is really great. One of my favorites right now. I really love this logo. It's just so cool. Little guy, you can look at it. Here. Oh, look at that. That's me on the knife. This thing's awesome. Really dig it. Feels like bushings. Has tang pins, which I don't mind hidden or tang. I've kind of like them both. It just depends on the knife. It's channeled all the way through, so it's a channeled construction. It weighs 4.6 ounces. It's really sharp. I like this blade style. This drop point blade style right here. I was very attracted to that look of a blade. There is slight texture going on these handles here. Not this side, but both of these sides. And it's very, very subtle. You can kind of see that this is more polished here, and then this has more of like a texture going on. This is a grade A. Apparently he does a grade B, which when there's flaws with it, and this is grade A. I bought this off a guy. He didn't send me the case that goes with it. I've tried to communicate with him, asking him for the case. He never told me it wasn't gonna come with a case. Then when I asked for the case, he said he lost it. He can't find it. And I asked, hey, well, it'd be really great to have the case that came with it, because if I ever decide to resell it, somebody's gonna want the case. I want the case. Not that I horribly care about a case, but it's just, you know, I paid for the knife. I asked him before it was sent, does it come with everything? Yes, it comes with the box, the stress ball, case, card, and then it shows up wrapped in Kleenex, all shoved in a box without the case. But this is a great knife. I wish there was a way to tell me that it was grade A. It feels great all the way around. There are little milling marks slightly down in there, and they're just very subtle. They don't bother me at all. It doesn't affect the performance. I don't think that makes it a grade B, because when I've read a little bit, it's more about the tuning and imperfections on the knife, and I just don't really think there are. So I think this is a grade A. I kind of wonder if Jimpy knows if the number 188 was a grade A or what. I think that's just, he just tunes them himself and then grades them right then before he sends them out. Anyway, really beautiful knife, really fun to flip. The weight is like kind of right exactly where I like. Really like that weight area. The Orca is 4.4. My rep is 4.7. My Alpha Beast is 4.8. The Chab is 5.1. It's a little heavy for me, but I still really love playing with that knife. My Demon Light by Atropos is 4.7. My Black Balisong Valkyria is 4.7. I love that knife. My Squid Kraken is 4.3, which is really fun to flip. Really light, really fun. I love this knife. and my OSP is 4.5. Those are all the knives that I really love flipping, and the weights. So this one's like fitting really nicely already in the family. I filmed myself flipping, doing a few tricks with it that I'll show you right now. We'll go ahead and lube this up, get it nice and ready. Get that worked in a little. One of my last episodes, I was using this Vic scale to do this trick right there. Figured you guys probably want to see it not with a trainer, but with a live blade. And yeah, we're gonna do it with the Sentinel. Sharp ass motherfucker, here we go. Right there, here we go, twice in a row. There it was, with the Sentinel. We'll do an 8-ball. How about a reverse bind 8-ball? How about we do some choker fans? Shortstops suck, but I'm gonna do one. There you go. I'm working on those, trying to get them faster. Alright, Jimpy Designs started in 2016 with a little thing called the thumb chuck. It's a little nunchuck deal that you could flip between your fingers. I'd like to get one sometime, but eventually started doing a Balisong. I like it. The weight is good. Everything's good. I think his company's really fun. Put the stress ball in there and make things a little bit more interesting. The logo, all of that. I'm digging it. On his website, he mentions 4 traits that you'll find in his products, which are aesthetics, performance, quality, and longevity. And I think he pretty much nails all those in this right here. I'm really enjoying this knife. Flips great. No real issues so far. I think it's just gonna be a preference thing of if people like this knife, the look, if they like the way it flips and feels to them. I'm kind of the type that has several different, I don't have a favorite. This is just one of them, and one that I like. For his first Balisong, I think he did a great job. Really great design. great materials. It's very high quality, very well made, great logo, everything all around. I think he knocked it out of the park.
A little stress ball. Well, yeah, oh, he did, huh?
The Sentinel is somebody who stands guard, who protects something. That's what a Sentinel is. When you see them at a gravesite or a castle and they're standing guard, that's what a Sentinel is. We've been listening to this record here, Ford's Imaginary Inferno. This guy is from Holland. Really great, kind of Beach Boys-y, Beatles music, yellow, translucent vinyl, cool black and white, psychedelic imagery, very psychedelic. I like psychedelic music. Very cool stuff, very good. I have several, I think 3 of his albums. I really like it. It's grown on me so much over the years. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Ford's Imaginary Inferno. This record is good record. All right, this is Damn Right I Got Knives signing out. Thank you guys for watching this episode on the Sentinel by Jimpy Designs. Adios amigos, catch you soon.